Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to turn off NSFW filter on Character.ai app. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Character.ai. Then after, go to your chat section. There, select any chats. Then over here, there is no inbuilt system of turning on or turning off. You have to enter a prompt. How? Let's see. Inside the bracket, you have to write and bracket close and send. They'll tell you, there you go, your NSW not safe for work has been turned on. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.